I cannot believe that I am standing before you. I'm only kidding. I can believe we're here because we have never stopped loving and trusting each other.
They have determined that they truly want to marry each other. What a wonderful day and a blessing to celebrate. And I am just so happy for the witnesses, the intimate, personal, loving witnesses that are here today, that we can celebrate this as family.
I put all my money on you and me.
The year was 2017, and I went to visit Tyler on campus, and he introduced me to a young lady. After I saw that beautiful smile, and she said, "Hi, Mr. Allen, nice to meet you." With that unfettered, bright smile, I said to myself, I like this young lady. Then I saw the way she looked at my son and how he looked at her. Then I said, I really like this young lady for my son.
Ivy, I remember the day, like she come to our life. It's so happiness for both of us. And you are make me so proud today. Always love sharing everything. No matter what, nothing can stop you guys.
Tyler, you have been the sweetest blessing in my life. I thank God he gave you to us. I always say you are my miracle baby, which I say all the time, right? You have chosen Ivy as your bride, and I couldn't be happier to welcome you, Ivy.
So, as many of us know, our family are full of chefs. I am the only one who did not get that gene. And this applies to not just food, but in every aspect of life, including speeches. Words cannot fully express how happy and grateful I am. And to you, cue the tears if they haven't started yet. Oh wait, sorry, that's a note to myself. Scratch that out. But on a serious note, I love you. I am so glad to have you as my older sister and my best friend for over 26 years so far.
Now with this blade here, I hereby welcome you to our family and to wish for you eternal happiness and prosperity.
To Wah and Yang, let me thank you both for raising such an outstanding human being who just so happens to love my son and graciously has given her his hand in marriage and her heart.
Ivy, you are a star that warms and enhances all the lives of those who enter into your orbit.
You look incredible, my love.
It's gorgeous.
You look incredible.
I wake up every day thanking the Lord for giving me the privilege to have met such a kind, loving, and an all-around amazing person like you.
I write this at a time where I haven't seen you yet, but I already know how absolutely fine, emphasized, bolded, in caps, underlined, you probably look. No, that's you. I've never met someone as funny, charming, witty, and the biggest goober to goober with.
The superheroes on screen don't exist, but I know a real-life Wonder Woman.
You are my Spider-Man, and I promise to be your Mary Jane.
Love is a choice and a vow that we make every day to each other. So I promise to always choose you in this relationship, to keep an open heart and an open mind when we don't see eye to eye.
My love, you are the moon that lights my path in the dark, the stars that illuminate my skies, the sun that warms my soul.
These are the promises I make to you, my love, every day, and from this life to the next. I love you, Ivy.
I promise our nights are filled with laughter, and who am I kidding, our days chocked full of it too. I love you. Always your little nugget.
I can now, for the first time, pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I love you both. Tyler, Ivy, make a talk. Ivy, love you! And don't forget, saying once again, I want my grandchildren the next year.